Hey, here is your measurement guide video. We're going to do 12 sides of the body. We'll start with the neck and move our way down to the calves. As you guys do these measurements, don't pull too tight and always take at least two to three measurements per site. So as you see, we started with the neck. Now we'll move our way down to the upper chest, wrap it around the armpits, and find that measurement. Don't pull too tight and take a couple to get an accurate measurement. Next we'll move on to the chest, the nipple line. So you're going to want to put that measuring tape right across the nipples, find the measurement, and make sure you're always jotting them down. Next we'll move on to the sternum. That's right below the chest. So we'll take your measuring tape, wrap it around that sternum area, find the measurement, and remember, don't pull too tight. Next we'll move on to the belly button. Wrap that right around the belly button there. Take a couple measurements and jot that down. Let's move on to the hips now. We want to get this around the widest part of their hips and their glutes. So stand to the side, find around the side of the hip, and again take a couple measurements. Let's move on to the leg next. You're going to take your thumb, put it on the kneecap, put your index finger right in the middle of the thigh, however far out your index expands. Make a little dent so your eye can remember that mark. Wrap the measuring tape right around that indentation. Take a couple measurements, and then move on to the other leg. Again, take that thumb, put it on the kneecap, make an indentation with your index. Put the measuring tape on that indentation. And let's get on to the calves now. You're going to want to wrap it around the biggest part of the calf. Again, not to pull too tight. Take a couple measurements. Move on to the next leg. Found that measurement. Let's jot it down, do it a couple times. Lastly, let's finish off with the arms. Make sure they flex their bicep. That bicep needs to be rock hard as you take the measurements. And again, don't pull too hard. Let's finish off with the other side. Make sure that bicep's nice and hard. Wrap it around the whole arm. Make sure it's not too tight. And that's it.